The plant's been around since the 1940s, so it is an older plant, and we were up against a lot of manual systems. From a recovery standpoint, we were forced to verbally get a hold of somebody and have them run out and throw a hose.
The challenge with that is this plant is huge. It sits on 110 acres, so sometimes that P205 may be collecting in a place that might take an operator 15, 20 minutes, half hour to get to. And in that time, you're losing that P205 value.
One of the biggest problems we were having with the manual system is that we were diluting the recovery. We were erring on the side of recover everything. Especially with our new purified acid plant, where the acid is clear, you can't visually look and see whether it is high P205 or low P205.
And then we would increase our steam usage, and we have to evap that back off through the process, so that was extremely expensive from steam usage and equipment and just bottom line production.
In today's system, that's all automated, so now instead of an operator having to first find out about them and then having to travel all the way out there, divert that back into our process so we recover it, it's automatically done. There's electronics and instrumentation that are measuring the contents of those systems.
The beautiful part about it is we've got our choices to where it's going, so we can maximize those resources and say, okay, I want this set to this tank at this number, and I want this over here.
In the P205 that's hitting those sumps, we're recovering over 80% of that material. So what does that add up to today? We're seeing anywhere from 1,000 to 1,200 tons of extra P205 that we're recovering and turning into a product every month. Well, if we turn that into MAP, which is one of our basic products that we produce, you're talking about 20,000 tons of MAP. 20,000 tons of MAP, there's 100 tons in a rail car. You're starting to talk about lots and lots of product that goes out of this plant and millions of dollars of additional value that we turn back to the company.
And it frees the operators up to stay on task. They've got plenty to do out there, so anything we can do to give them a hand is much appreciated.
Even from a safety standpoint, now I don't even have to put some operator in a line of fire to throw a hose. It's automatically doing it.
We're able to produce a product with a higher efficiency. We could produce the same tonnages with less raw material, extend the life of our mine, improve the environment around us while we're doing it, produce our products for lower cost, or we have the opportunity now to produce more products to sell out into the marketplace.
I like the results that we're getting from it now, and I just see this as a huge way of rethinking our process and how we're doing business and what we can gain in the future and how we can take this to other plants or different parts of our plant.
So I think I would encourage people to, and all of us to continue just to look around, because there's things that we've done for years and decades that now we have new technology, new ideas, and new ways to change the way we do those things that can make those opportunities turn into real benefits to the company and the people and the environment. And at the same time, we have to be able to do that within a competitive environment where we produce products that meet our customers' needs at a competitive cost. And I think this project does all of those things.